Good thing I grabbed those arrows. I almost didn't have time to. Okay, I need a helmet, I need boots, I need water. I don't need a helmet. Oh yeah, never mind. I said it right. That's not mine, right? Wait, he burned. How did he die so fast? I'm so confused. Okay, until I get water, might as well get this going. I have a lot of lava. Just take that so no one else can have it. There's only 3 people left. I really could just fight and probably end the game before my fire resistance even finishes. I'm just gonna do that. I don't need that. Oh! Hello! There's water. I'll take it just in case. Don't intend on eating that. Oh, I have so much lava. Can I do something with this? Lol, he says. What? That's so funny. Nothing. All I did was burn you to death. I don't think that's funny. What's the guy doing? Has he left his base even? I have so much lava. Can I get on top of him and rain down on the base? Yeah, no, get down. See him scrolling. First, let's get the front of the base, so he can't. Let's get the front of the base so he can't just like escape. Let's go like this. Alright, it's looking alright. Oh my god, where am I? Okay. No axe. Wait, fire resist is gone. Oops. Oh! Jesus! Okay. Sorry, Glenn. Let me hit you once so I can see your health bar, and then, oh, shit. I'd like to burn... Oh, he's dead? Oops.